We're on the Masters. I got it for the Masters. If you guys follow golf, it's like one of the biggest tournaments in golf. Everybody wants that green jacket. So we're here. The golf course is literally, I'll see if I can take a ride of it. It's really literally around the corner. And it's April 7th. That's like 2 weeks away. So we're trying to get the house ready for that. But I'm going to show you guys the backyard. Don't judge it. It needs some work. But again, they're going to cut the grass today. But it's my first time seeing it. So we're going to see it together. But anyway, all right, guys, let's go inside. Oh, I had to get it with the hoop. We're going to elevate that. I'm going to be out here dunking again. Like I said, it needs to be cut. And, homie just arrived. Realtor.
International Drake.
What up, man? Let me cut this.
Boy in the AUG.
What up, guys? Y'all know I've been doing. Y'all heard about Mel. Me and Mel done some podcasts together. He been my agent, go-to agent in Augusta forever. We got into real estate at the same time. So we're gonna do a walkthrough, man. He found this house for me. He's a baller. He lives across the street. So he be at the Masters putting this property up to get it rented out. But we're gonna do a quick walkthrough of the property I've been telling y'all about. Hopefully I got enough storage, man, to get this joint done. But here we go. He's recording on Facebook Live right now. Instagram vibe.
It's the same thing. Same thing.
But it's clean, man. It's coming together. Here goes the kitchen. The backsplash came in. They're gonna put it up. We got a cooktop. Got to get cut in right there. That's that box right there. Gonna get new lights. I'm trying to get a golfer up in here next week. I mean, not next week, next year. I done missed the window, huh, Mel? I'm too late for the, gotta get a new light. For the 25 racks a week for the Masters. That's the goal. Yeah, man, it's coming together. What would you do here, Mel? Let us know what you would do right here on this wall, man. What would you do with this fireplace?
Well, this fireplace, I mean, it doesn't need much. I mean, it's not really look good. I mean, this mantle looks good.
Maybe
I probably would.
The brick.
I mean, yeah. If you really want to take it to another level, I would tile this up. I would do like a accent.
Yep.
You know, wall here. You know, something fancy, something nice. So you can just tile it up, make it real clean with white tile.
Yep.
And maybe just do like a gray mantle. You know, tile up the fireplace. Yeah. So.
He the reason I've been flipping remotely for like 5 years, man. He helped me get it done. So anybody that said you can't flip remotely, they're lying. You just gotta build the right team. We'll go downstairs in the basement real fast. Full on apartment down here. This is why I chose this place. Look at this, man. You saw the upstairs. Full on kitchen down here. So looking forward to getting this done. They're almost done. Living room. Basically a king suite. Massive closet. And then a huge bathroom as well. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you guys this property. I've been talking about it for a while. About to ride around Augusta and check out some more areas so I can buy remote a lot easier. But anybody tell you can't do this, you saw where I was from. I showed you the video previous to this one. So again, man, anybody can do it. You just got to believe that you can. All right, guys, I will take you guys to the closing tomorrow and give you guys a little clip of that. Just to show you, man, don't matter where you're from, it's all about how you believe.
I mean, push come shove, I mean, we do have another buyer. He may be willing to maybe refinance it in like 3 years or something like that, get it $500,000. Maybe.
Well, I'm not really, I just don't know too much about structure.
What up, guys? It's closing time. As you guys know, today I was buying the house that I mentioned in the previous video. But I'm at the bank now. I just picked up the cashier's check to go to closing. Guess how much I paid for it? I mean, I didn't pay anything, but I told you guys I was getting it's a $339,000 house. I got it for $185,000. I didn't put up any money, but guess how much my closing costs are? You're not even gonna believe it if I told you. Even if I did have to put up some money, it would have been a minimal amount. And I want you guys to see how much it is. You can be like, what? This dude just got a $340,000 house for, watch, you'll see. You're gonna be like, nah. Drum roll. $7,000. Yep, $7,000. I know you want to know how I did it. I'm gonna show you guys the house too. So I'm heading to closing right now. I will see if I can get some shots of the closing. If not, I will take you guys by the house and show you how it looks. All right guys, just got to the law office. I'm not gonna take my phone inside, so but this little area is pretty nice. It's called Aiken, South Carolina. I flipped 2 houses here. Never been here before, never been to the historic district. So if you're ever in South Carolina in the area or Augusta, come check it out. But I will see you guys at the house after I close. I'm gonna go grab the keys. My first closing in person. Most of them are all remote. So this was pretty cool. It was a lot faster and a lot easier too, actually. So, all right guys, about to grab these keys. All right guys, leaving the closing now. Headed to the house to take a look at it, pick up the keys. I'm just recording this video to show anybody who's ever done real estate before knows what this is. This is a HUD. I'm not playing. I'm serious about this. That's just proof, letting you know I'm out here making deals happen and for the amount that I'm saying. So I will shoot the last video when I get to the house. See you guys in 20 minutes. I'm here. This is the house. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough really fast. Not through the house, but around it. Very nice house. Looking forward to making some stuff happen here. Just gonna walk around back really quick. My contractor's already been over here. They love it. Gotta redo the deck. Got a little bit of work to do. 340 guys, 340. Also on an acre as well. So this little area I'm gonna turn into a mother-in-law suite down here. Anyway, I'll try to get a video footage of this once we get done with it. The start and then the finish, and maybe something in between. Now I'm headed to the other house. I'll do my last video over there because I'm gonna put in some work. I'll let you guys see me swinging a hammer or screwing something in. All right, guys. I had to stop in here real fast, man. $7,000 incentive for all these houses. This is a new build. The whole area. That should let y'all know something. I don't really talk about the economy like I used to, or not as much. I'll get back to it, but take a note of that. $7,000 incentive to move in one of these nice houses, and they're going for $335,000, $319, somewhere in there. Another tip: anytime you're in the city, whether you're on vacation or just hanging out, if you're seeing construction anywhere, if you see cranes or anything like that, do your research. You know, look at the amount of U-Haul services that are going in and out. Look at the moving. Look at what's going on with the demographics. Look at what's going on with jobs and things like that, because those are good indications of a place that you need to invest in. When you see cranes and construction going on, that's the time to put your money in. I'm just riding through downtown Augusta, going back to my place. It's very historic. I mean, we all know what happened in the South, so you can kind of see some of the buildings and see they still have the colonial look. I'm gonna pull up on the Masters. My Airbnb is about 10 minutes from downtown Augusta. It's also the medical district, so that's why the bottom of the place is where we're gonna do the travel nurses who are gonna be on 3-month contracts. So, yeah, if you're ever in Augusta, come downtown, take a look. I'm trying to get more footage of the Masters if I can. I know my camera work is shoddy, but I'm driving with my left hand. Give me a break. at some of these houses. They're huge though. I mean, we know what kind of houses they are, but nonetheless, I thought I'd get a shot of that. All right, guys, this is where the master starts. It is on the right-hand side. Look at that good old turf. They just bought this and put up, I don't know if you can see these buildings back here. You can't see them, but they just bought this whole area 6 months ago and have torn all this stuff down, put up new buildings, put up a lot of trees. They don't want you seeing anything of what they're doing. So you make a right at that light and you'll run into the crib that I have on Airbnb. Make the right and then you're at the first right on the left, take it to my house. But I'm going to change, and then across the street also is the entrance. You can see the gate was closed, but this is also, there's another gate to get in. So great opportunity, look forward to it. What's up, guys? This is it. I'm back at the house. I changed clothes. I'm about to go in here and count outlets, look at the faucets to see about some new faucets and other things like that. I'm not gonna go through all that. Oh, my boy's house that you guys met the other day, mail is right there. So anyway, guys, thank you for spending a day in the life with me, taking this journey with me. It was a lot of first times for me. First time seeing this house, first time seeing the other house. My first time actually doing a closing in person. I'm always doing everything remote. That's the purpose of Invest Far. But it was fun doing this and you guys being able to experience it with me. If this is something that you guys really, really want to do, this house here, I didn't put up any money for this house, none at all whatsoever. It's a $450,000 house. I think $475. I didn't put up any cash. I didn't put up any cash to buy this house. I didn't put up any cash to buy the last house. And you saw the $7,000 that it was. So I would teach you guys how to do this. Like, I'm really passionate. This is my purpose. If you follow me, you know this is my purpose and this is what I want to do. So if you guys are really interested, anybody listening to this is really interested, click the link below and I promise you, I will teach you how to do this. You know what I mean? Like, obviously we're going to start in the mind because it all starts in the mind. But from there, that's all it is. So guys, thank you again for taking this journey with me. A day in the life with me. And hopefully you guys are learning. Subscribe to the channel because I promise you, I just started it, but this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be kicking out content like this. I'm already doing content about mindset. So this is what I want to do. Provide, information for you guys to get into flipping and to learn how to invest or learn how to buy properties like this without money. And neighborhoods like this where you can do Airbnbs and masters and low cost of entry out here. But anyway, guys. Oh, he in there bumping that. Look at that. I like it. But anyway, guys, I'm about to go inside and do my thing, put in a little bit of sweat equity. And I hope you guys enjoyed this version of Mindset Mondays. Again, it's a special thing for me to do. I don't do stuff like this often. It's probably one of the last times that I do it. I try to do more of it if I can. But until then, see you guys in the next episode.